Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna show you how you can get free likes, comments, and followers on Instagram. For that, we're gonna use a platform called Everbee, which is a social media exchange platform. We're gonna search it on Google. Search for Everbee Exchange, and it's gonna be the first result. Once you're here on the website, press on sign in with Google, and you're gonna sign in with your Google account, which will be your main account inside of the platform. And as you can see, we are here inside of the platform. And when you first log in with your Google account, you will receive 45 cents in euros balance. So you already have something to start with. So basically, with this money here, we are going to be able to buy likes, followers, and comments on our profile. And of course, this isn't much, but we get paid for completing tasks. And those tasks are the same that we are going to order later, which are, we are going to get rewarded with money, with balance here on Everbee for following people, liking their post, leaving a comment, anything like that. In order to watch all the available tasks, go to the left menu and press on task categories. And here we are all the available tasks that we can perform. Here you can see the category name. So we have different, on all the side, in all the Instagram followers category, we can realize almost 400 tasks. We have Instagram likes, the same. The comments, as we can see, you have a little bit. So now I'm going to show you what you have inside of the task category. So we have picked Instagram followers as the task category, and as you can see here, we have all the list of people that is paying right now in order to get a follower. So on this table here, you have the person that you have to follow, you have the reward that you will get for giving them the follow, and you have 39 pages of tasks. So basically this works like this. When you place like an order to get followers, you will reward each people with some amount of money, and the higher the money, the faster that you will get likes or followers, because it will be on top of the list. Imagine that people on the 5th page will have to wait more than someone that is here on the first page offering almost a cent. So let's say that I want to, earn 1 cent. Right now we have 45. Just tap on the action column, follow profile in this case. Now let's wait a bit. It's gonna take you to the Instagram page. Make sure that you're logged on your account. You follow the guy that is paying you the reward. Close it, go back. And now we have been rewarded with the money that they offered because we have completed the action successfully. We press on next, and it's gonna reload the page. And the guy isn't there anymore because we have already done the action. So now let's complete it one more time. Let's follow this profile here. It is the same than before. Okay, somehow we are already following them. I don't know if this is gonna work, but let's try it. I don't know why I am following the guy. Maybe I am really following him. Let's close this. And see, you can cheat the system. So we are gonna leave this guy as, you can follow him because it takes already that you did it before. Let's try this one here on the next. That shows you that you can really cheat Everbee and make sure that you don't do silly things. Play honestly. We followed her. And here we have rewarded almost a cent. Now we are on the Instagram likes category, which works basically the same. You have a list of people paying you for liking their post. They offer a reward for a single like, and you got more than 30 pages of people. So the higher you bid, the faster that you will get likes because you will be on top. It works the same on all the different tasks. And basically that's the system that you can do in order to get likes and followers on Everbee. So all that I've showed you before is about manual tasking, but let's say that you're using Google Chrome and you are on desktop browser, just as we are here. For that, you have the option to use the Everbee extension, which will perform the task automatically, and you can leave it running for hours without you being there, and it will do all the tasks and get you the balance without having to tap anywhere. You just press on start the extension and it will do the work for you. So in order to get it, you will have to go to this cube here that says status of your browser extension. Once you're here, tap on download Everbridge extension. It's gonna take you to the Chrome extension store. Press on add to Chrome, add extension, and here we are again. So just go to the dashboard, and the Everbridge extension will be here ready to be used. So now I'm gonna show you how you can create a new campaign so you can pay people for following you, liking your post, and leave you comments. For that, go to add new campaign on the left menu. Pick the right category depending on what you want to get. So I want Instagram followers, I'm gonna leave it there. Let's pass our Instagram profile. Make sure that your account is not in private and that you're using the right format here. Confirm that this is your account. Set how much you will pay each person for giving you a follow. If you put a higher value, you will be on top of the list and you will get followers faster. Here, if you want to set a maximum amount of followers per day, you're gonna do it here. So once I get 10 follows, my task will go off from the list, for example. Add a new campaign. So here we created our first campaign, and basically it tells you on the actions total how many followers you got, how many people completed the task, how many people completed the task today, and this is what you are paying right now for each action that someone completes. Here we set our daily limit, so after we get 10 followers, our task will go off from the list, and of course from each action we are gonna get our balance reduced. So basically that's all. So guys, the last thing that I wanted to show you is about the affiliate section. If someone registers using your referral link, you will get 10% of your partner's balance deposit, which means that if they add money, you will get a 10% of that and 20% from all the earnings, which means that you will get 20% of what they do, the task rewards that they get, and it's really cool. The other part of this thing about sharing the referral link is that the more people that use Everbridge, the faster and easier that you will get likes, followers, everything, because this is an exchange platform. So the idea is to get everyone using it so everyone gets a benefit. If you like this video, please make sure to share it with your friends. As I told you before, it is important to make Everbridge known to more people, so it will benefit all of us using the platform. And I think that's all. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any doubt, feel free to leave a comment. Bye.